Ferrari, the name alone is enough to send shivers down the spine of any car enthusiast. The brand is synonymous with speed, luxury, and performance. But with great power comes great responsibility. And two drivers in Italy recently learned that lesson the hard way. This is the shocking moment when two Ferrari drivers, a 56-year-old Dutchman and a 46-year-old Belgian, lost control of their supercars while racing each other in the Ancona region of Italy. The holidaymakers were pursuing each other along the country lanes of Osimo in Ancona when they both took a bend far too quickly. The cars hit a bump, flew through the air, and smashed into a nearby villa. One car caught fire and was completely destroyed, but miraculously the drivers and their passengers avoided serious injury. The first Ferrari, a red 296 GTB, rammed head-on into the villa wall and sustained considerable damage. But the other car, a blue F12 Berlinetta, sailed even further, bulldozing through the villa fence and almost immediately bursting into flames. One driver can be seen emerging from the red Ferrari apparently unhurt, but the second driver painstakingly dragged himself from the smoking blue Ferrari, staggered toward his friend, and collapsed. Moments later, orange flames could be seen snaking out from under the bonnet of the F12 and quickly whipped up into a fearsome blaze that consumed the vehicle. Paramedics and firefighters rushed to the crash site, and an air ambulance was also scrambled, given the extent of the crash. A total of 118 emergency personnel were forced to attend the incident, with several firefighters battling to extinguish the flaming vehicle. The F12 was reduced to a burnt-out husk by the time the blaze had been quelled, and debris was left strewn across the villa's grounds, including in the swimming pool. The drivers, who were understood to be on holiday visiting friends in the region, reportedly face a large fine, which may be increased as investigations into the speed at which they were driving continue. This is a stark reminder that even the most experienced drivers need to respect the rules of the road and exercise caution, especially when driving high-performance vehicles. Let's hope that these drivers learn their lesson and that incidents like this can be avoided in the future.